This is the headpiece that I made, but it looks so cute as a shoulder accent. So I have a small project to do. These are the stones I'm using. You're gonna need some of that same silver fabric, some interfacing. Here is my stencil, and that is the design I'm going for. I get to make a headpiece for this piece here. These are the materials that I'm using. It's gonna be so cute. Just wait. So the first thing you want to do is cut your interfacing into the shape that you need. Here's my stencil. And those are the shapes, nice and cut. Okay, so you want to glue your interfacing to the back of your fabric. Then you want to create these slits in the side. You're going to add a layer of glue just around the edge, and then you're going to fold those slits over onto the interfacing. Alright, so we got all of the interfaced nice and glued down over the fabric. And for the circle one, they're going to overlap. So just glue the overlap down. Then we're going to take these extra pieces and we're going to glue them just right on top like that. Gonna glue them right on top just to cover the underside of the interfacing, make it look nice and neat. Then we'll put it together like that. I got the petals all glued together and they're pinned so they stay in place. I ended up cutting the round in a little more than a half moon so it will sit like this where it doesn't change the shape. I like it better like that. And onto the glue and then onto stones. Okay, now it's time to let it dry. That is my shape. Very similar. And the size as well. So I got it all pinned up, got it all glued up. Now give it about 30 minutes, let it dry, and onto the stones. Alright, so I got my first layer of stones down, just basically the frame. I framed it in Capri and Capri AB, so the darker blue is Capri, the lighter blue is Capri AB, and then I double framed it in aquamarine. So that's the light blue that you see around the edges just to cover the raw edge there. Now for the specialties, and these are the specialties that I pulled. I'm gonna try to make that same daisy like I did for here in the middle of the dress. And we shall see. All right, so I put a third frame in, which are these aqua ABs next to the Capri to frame it, and these Labrador cabochons inside the Capri AB. I used the aqua AB because if you look, I had some specialties shapes inside the petals on the dress, but I used them all. So to just mimic that same feeling, I used aqua AB and it works. So now on to the pearls and making the straps for the back so she can hook it to her hair. Okay, so my pearls are in, the daisy is done, the 3 frame is done. I have pins poking out because there's the tag, and I'm holding in the placers. So those straps there are for the, bobby pins. So when she pins it into her hair, there's something to hold the pins in. But I love it. That is the back. That is the front where you see the pins popping out. I'm gonna replace the stones. They're right there. And I got glue all over my fingers. But it is done. Now let me let this dry. So this is how the headpiece came out. It's gorgeous. I love it. It has 3-dimension. It's perfect. It's supposed to be a back headpiece, and it looks amazing. Completely matches the dress, which was definitely the plan. And we are officially done. Gorgeous. It's feathery. It's sparkly. The gloves are done. The feathers are popping. The headpiece is beautiful. The straps are dainty. Did you catch where I used the cushion cuts? Right there and right here. And then on the inside of the flower here. As much as I wanted to use those cushion cuts everywhere, there was only a few places I could fit them in, but that's okay because I plan on using those for the ice velvet dress that I'm doing next. But isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.